Hello guys, my name is Rashi and I am from Personal Tutor. Let's continue with our exercise 6.3. Chapter name is Squares and Square Roots, class 8th. So we have already done question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now question number 6 is, for each of the following numbers, find the smallest whole number by which it should be divided so as to get a perfect square. If you remember, in question number 5th, we already did that by which it should be multiplied to get a perfect square, and now the question is by which it should be divided to get a perfect square. The difference is that in that question we had to multiply a number to get a perfect square, and in this question we will divide a number to get a perfect square. Let's see. Find the smallest whole number by which it should be divided to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the number so obtained. Now we have to find the smallest whole number by which the number should be divided. It means that the number which are given in the parts are definitely not perfect squares. वो perfect squares नहीं है, हमें उन्हें perfect square बनाना है. ठीक है? Question number 1 is, part number 1 is 252. The first part is 252. Now we will prime factorize this number 252. This is an even number. So this is a multiple of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 and 2 is 12, and 2 6 are 12. Again 126 is a multiple of 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6. Now 63 is a multiple of 3. So 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21 and 7 1s are 7. So the factors of 252 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. Okay. Now ये तो हमारे factors हैं, but अब हमें we have to find the smallest whole number by which this number should be divided. Now if I make pairs, this is one pair, this is second pair, and now 7 is a single term. So अब इसमें एक और 7 मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करेंगे, हम इस 7 को डिवाइड कर देंगे. अगर हम ये 7 यहाँ से हटा देते हैं तो भी तो 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 एक परफेक्ट स्क्वायर होगा ना. इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी हैव टू डिवाइड, दैट्स व्हाई वी विल डिवाइड 7. ओके. अगर हमसे बोला होता मल्टीप्लाई द स्मॉलेस्ट होल नंबर तो हम इसमें करते into 7, बट हेयर वी आर, द क्वेश्चन इज दैट वी हैव टू डिवाइड द स्मॉलेस्ट होल नंबर. So that's why we will divide this number by 7. Now 252 को हम 7 से divide कर देंगे, and then we will see कि जो हमारा आंसर आता है is that a perfect square. So 7 3s are 21, 42. 7 6 are 42. So we got 36. So now 36 के जो फैक्टर्स हैं, अब उसमें हम डायरेक्टली ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, बिकॉज वी नो दैट इसमें से हमने 7 को हटा दिया है, डिवाइड कर दिया है. तो अब हमारे पास जो फैक्टर्स बचेंगे दैट विल बी 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. That's it. 7 हट गया. ठीक है. So now we have eliminated 7 from this number, from these numbers. Now make pairs and जाएगा एंड 1 3 उस पेयर में से आ जाएगा. नाउ 2 into 3 is 6. That means the square root of 36 is 6. Okay. Also let's check 36 के factors यही होते हैं या कुछ और होते हैं. 36 is a multiple of 2 first. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Which means that yes, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 यही factors होते हैं. It means that हम direct भी factors लिख सकते थे without calculating, because we know that हमने 7 ही को eliminate किया तो 7 ही हट जाएगा बस, बाकी सारे factors will remain as it is. So what we did is we divided the smallest whole number so as to get a perfect square. In this question we divided, in the last question we multiplied the smallest whole number so as to get a perfect square. Okay, so अब इसमें eliminate करना है, मतलब हमें next part में भी हमें eliminate करना है. So this was part number 1. Now let's come to the next part. Second part is 2925. 2925. We will prime factorize this number first. Now 2925 is not a multiple of 2. As we can see, the unit place is odd number. So we will check, is it a multiple of 3 or not. 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9 and 9 plus 9 is 18, and 18 is a multiple of 3. It means that this number is also a multiple of 3. 3 9s are 27, 2 बचा and 2 22 बचा, ठीक है. So 3 7s are 21, 1 and 5 is 15 and 3 5s are 15. Now 9 7 5. Again this number is a multiple of 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Now 325 is not a multiple of 3. So this is a multiple of 5 now, because the unit place we have, in the unit place we have 5. So 5 6 are 30 and 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15 and 13 1s are 30. So we got the factors as 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 13. Now as we all can see that 3 has a pair, 5 has a pair and 13 is a single term. So it means that we will divide this number by 13. Okay. अगर हमें यहाँ पे बोला होता we have to multiply, so हम मल्टीप्लाई करते 13 से to get one more 13 here, but here we are asked to divide, so we will eliminate this 13 also. Okay, so 2925 divided by 13. 13 2s are 26. 32. Again 13 2s are 26. 65 and 13 5s are 65. So we got our number as 225. इसके factors again we all know 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 होंगे, because 13 तो हमने अभी eliminate किया. So it means that the factors of 252 are 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. We can make two pairs, 3 का one pair and another pair is of 5. So 3 into 5 will give us 15. So it means that 15 is the square root of 225. And 225 is now a perfect square. So this was our second part. Now let's come to the third part. Third part is 396. 6. So we will factorize 396 first. This is a multiple of 2, as we all can see. 6 is an even number. So 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, and 2 8s are 16. Again 198 is a multiple of 2, 2 9s are 18, and 2 9s are 18. Now 99 is a multiple of 3. 3 30, 3s are 99, and again 3 11s are 33, and 11 1s are 11. So we got our factors as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 11. Now let's make pairs. One pair of 2, one pair of 3. 11 is a single term. So we will divide this number 396 by 11, because we have to divide this number by smallest whole number, and the smallest whole number we got as 11. So we will divide 396 by 11 now. 11 3s are 33, 66, 11 6s are 66. So remainder is 0, and we got the number 36. And we all know that we have the factors of 36 as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. And pairing also, one pair of 2, one pair of 3. So again 2 into 3 will be 6. So it means that square root of 36 is 6. And we got a perfect square after dividing. And the perfect square is 36. So this was our third part. Now let's come to the part number 4. Fourth part is 2645. Let's factorize 2645. Let's check, is it a multiple of 3? Because it is not a multiple of 2, so our next option is 3 only. 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, and 12 plus 5 is 17, and 17 is not a multiple of 3. It means that this number is also not a multiple of 3. So now our next target will be number 5. 5, 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 5 9s are 45. Now 529. I hope you all know that 529 is a perfect square, but as we don't know 529 is a square of which number, so let's multiply 2-3 numbers and check. In fact, we have done this type of question in our last question, or I think last to last question, and we all know that 529 is a square of 23. But again let's check. 23 into 23 करके देखते हैं क्या 529 ही आएगा. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are 6, and 2 2s are 4. 9, 6 and 6 is 12, 1 carry, and 4 plus 1 is 5. So yes, 529 is a square of 23. So children, अगर कोई ऐसा नंबर आ जाता है जो किसी से भी डिवाइड नहीं हो रहा, so वो किसी ना किसी का परफेक्ट स्क्वायर होता है. So always in your mind calculate, या फिर आप करके देख लो 20 की टर्म्स में 21 करके देखो, then 22 करके देखो, तो ऐसे ऐसे आपको आंसर मिल जाएगा. ठीक है. So this was the prime factorization. Now we got our factors 5 into 23 into 23. So 23 is making one pair. Okay. Now 5 is a single term. So it means that we will divide this number by 5. So 2645 will be divided by 5 now. Okay. So 5 5s are 25, 14, 5 2s are 10, 4 and 5 45, 5 9s are 45. So our remainder is 0, and we got the number 529. And 529 is a square of 23, we all know. So 2 times 23 will be the factor of 529. also we have to write one term only, so we will have to do the pairing and then we will write down one term, and this gives us the square root of 529 as 23. This was part number 4. Now let's come to the next part. So 2800, we will prime factorize this number first. This is a multiple of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14. 0 as it is yaad rahenge children. 2 3s are 6, 10, 2 5s are 10. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14 and 2 5s are 10. Now 175 is not a multiple of 2. 175 is not a multiple of 3 also. So now we will divide this number by 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25, 5 7s are 35 and 7 1s are 7. So our factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 7. Okay, let's start making pairs. First pair, second pair, third pair. 7 is a single term, so it means that divide this number by 7. 2800 ko we will divide this number by 7. 2800 divided by 7. 7 4s are 28. 2 zeros डायरेक्ट ऊपर आ जाएंगे, ठीक है. So it means that 400 is the perfect square number. Okay, and the factors of this number are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. So we have eliminated 7 now. So we will not write 7 now. Okay. So now we will start making pairs. One pair of 2, second pair of 2 and the third pair of 5. So it means that 2 into 2 into 5. 2 2s are 4 and 5 4s are 20. So it means that the square root of 400 is 20. And the perfect square number after dividing the smallest whole number is 400. Okay, this was part number 5. Now let's come to the last part of this question. Part number 6. So sixth part is 1620. 1620 we will prime factorize, and this is a multiple of 2. As we all know, this is an even number. So 2 8s are 16 and 2 1s are 2 and 0 as it is. Now again 2 say 2 4s are 8. Now 1 is a smaller number, so uska ek 0 lagega, and 2 5s are 10. Now 405 is not a multiple of 2 anymore. We will check by 3. So 4 plus 5 is 9. And yes, 9 is a multiple of 3. It means that this number is also a multiple of 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9 and 3 5s are 15. Again 135. 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 1 9. Again this is a multiple of 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. So we got our factors 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. Now start making pairs. First pair of 2, second pair of 3, third pair of 3 and 5 is a single term which gives us the smallest whole number as 5. So 1620 will be divided by 5 so as to get a perfect square number. Okay, 5 3s are 15, 1, 2, 5 2s are 10, 2 0 as it is, and 5 4s are 20. So we got remainder as 0, and the number is 324. So 324 is the smallest, 324 is the perfect square number we got by dividing the smallest whole number 5 from the number 1620. Okay, so the factors are also known: 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, so these are the factors of 324. 5 we have eliminated, so we will not write 5. Okay, so pairing is 1 pair of 2, 1 pair of 3, and 1 pair of 3 again. So it means 2 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9 and 9 2s are 18, which means that the square root of 324 is nothing but 1880. Okay, so with this we have completed our question number 6, and now question number 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th I will discuss in my next video. Okay, so stay tuned, and if you have any problem, please ask. I definitely reply, and please like and share this video. Thank you.